Scholars, it's time for math. Silent celebration. Yes. Before you get started, you need your worksheets and your pencil. Today, you need your worksheet that has giraffes and elephants. It also has number sentences, squares, and number bonds. Pause the video to get your materials. All right, scholars, time to learn a new math song. Ready? Here you go.
All you kids in the classroom, please add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. All you kids in the classroom, please add 'em up. All right, boys and girls, it's time to grab something you can count and add by ones. Grab some cubes, use your fingers, or count with whatever you want. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Put your facts down carefully and sing this song along with me. Add 'em up, add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. All you kids in the classroom, please add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. Add 'em up, add 'em up. All you kids in the classroom, please add 'em up. Listen to this, guys. We're going to add by ones up to 10 one more time. Get your counters ready. Here we go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10.
Scholars, awesome job. I hope your brain is warmed up because mine definitely is. All right, time to read our learning goal. I can represent decomposition and composition addition stories 2-7 with drawings and equations. Scholars, what does decomposition means? Yeah, it means breaking numbers apart. Composition means putting them together. So we are going to use addition, and we are going to break numbers apart and put them together. And we're going to show that or represent that with our drawings and our equations or number sentences. All right, here we go, scholars. Scholars, my grandfather loves trains. So today we are going to have a train in our learning. Scholars, what do you see on the board? What do you observe? Yeah, you see your counting cubes or your linking cubes. And how many do we see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Scholars, I need your help. On the count of 3, I want you to snap your fingers and say snap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, we broke them into 2 groups. Good job, scholars. How many are in this first group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 are in this first group. And how many are in the second group? 2. Very good, scholars. I'm going to put that into an equation. How many cubes did I start with? Yeah, I started with 7 altogether. And I broke that into how many groups? 2 groups. So 7 equals what? 5. And where's that 5 coming from? Yeah, it's coming from this group right here. So 7 equals 5 plus 2. 2 comes from this group right here, scholars. And scholars, with that, we can even say that in a sentence. 7 cars is the same as 5 cars and 2 cars. Can you say that sentence? 7 cars is the same as 5 cars and 2 cars. Very good, scholars. All right, here are our cubes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? On the count of 3, say snap and snap your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, there we go. My 7 broke up into 2 different groups again. So how many cubes are we starting with? Yeah, we're starting with 7. 7 equals 3. Scholars, how did you know that we were going to put 3 there? Yeah, because we have one group of 3 right there. So 7 equals 3 and how many? And 4, because there's my other group of 4. So 7 equals 3 and 4. Let's say our sentence. 7 cars is the same as 3 cars and 4 cars. Very good, scholars. All right, and so 7 is our whole, 3 is one part, and 4 is one part. Awesome job, scholars. All right, so there's our 7 again. 1, 2, 3, snap. Whoa, look at our groups now. Yeah, we have one group of 1 and one group of 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So 7 equals, what number am I going to write right here? A 1. Can you write a 1 in the sky? So 7 cars is the same as 1 car and 6 cars. Write a 6 in the air. Very good, scholars. 7 cars is the same as 1 car and 6 cars. And let's put that in the number bond. So 7 is our whole. One part, we have a 1, and the other part, we have a 6. Great job, scholars. All right, let's practice this together. Go ahead and take out your worksheet and your pencil. All right, I'll read this to us. There are 7 animals. Whoa, 7 animals. How many giraffes? Yeah, 5 giraffes and 2 elephants. Very good. There are 5 giraffes and 2 elephants. So 7 is how many animals we have all together. What number do we need to write right here? 5, very good. 5 is one of our parts. And 2, very good. 2 is the other part. So 7, let's put our 7 right there. 7 equals, or 7 is the same as 5 giraffes and plus 2 elephants. 7 is the same as 5 giraffes and 2 elephants. Next story problem. At the store, there was 1 big bear and 6 small bears. They're so cute. I bet they're very comfy and soft. There are 7 bears. Scholars, let's fill in our numbers bond. So how many big bears do we have? Yeah, we have 1 big bear. How many small bears do we have? 6, very good. So those are my 2 parts. So 1 and 6 make how many? Very good, they make 7. 1 big bear plus 6 small bears equals 7. Let's read that sentence again. 1 big bear and 6 small bears equals 7 bears. Awesome job, scholars. Look at our picture and our numbers down here. How many triangles do you see? You see 2. How many circles do you see? Yeah, 5. Yes, two triangles and 5 circles. Let's fill in our number bond. So what is our first part? 2, very good. So write a 2 in that part of your number bond. How many circles do we have? 5, very good. So write that in your number bond. 2 and 5 make how many altogether? Remember, you can count up 5, 6, 7. Make 7. So add your 7 to your number bond and fill it in your put it 7 into your number sentence. Let's read our number sentence together. 7 equals 2 triangles and 5 circles. So 7 shapes is the same as 2 triangles and 5 circles. Great job, scholars. Next page. The squares below represent cubes. 4 gray cubes and 3 white cubes are 7. And they show our picture right there. We also have a number bond to fill in. So how many gray cubes? 4, very good. How many white cubes? 3, very good. Fill in your number sentence. 4 gray cubes plus 3 white cubes equals 7 cubes altogether. Awesome job, scholars. All right, let's go to the next part. Color the cubes to match the cubes above. Fill in the number sentence. So I'm going to color in 4 gray cubes because that's how many gray cubes I have above. And I'm going to leave 3 white. And now we have to fill in our number sentence. So how many cubes do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 equals 7 cubes equals 4 gray cubes plus 3 white cubes. Go ahead and fill that in. 7 equals 4 plus 3. All right, scholars, I'm going to tell you a story. Down here it says create your own story and tell your partner. Again, if you don't have a partner, tell an adult. Have your partner draw a picture of your story and create a number sentence to go with your picture. So here's my story. Scholars, I love strawberries. Miss Marotta went outside to pick strawberries. She first picked 5 strawberries from one row, and she picked 2 strawberries from another row. So she picked 7 strawberries. She picked 7 strawberries. 5 were from one row and 2 were from another row. So there's my sentence. 5 strawberries plus 2 strawberries equals 7 strawberries. Scholars, it's your turn to draw pictures and write an equation. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Go. All right, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scholars, if you didn't finish, it's okay. You can finish after the video's over. Scholars, today we practice putting together combinations that make 7 and taking them apart. We showed that with our pictures and our equations or our number sentences. So we composed and decomposed the number 7 and showed that with our pictures and our equations. Scholars, I'm so proud of you. Kiss your brains. And I'll see you tomorrow for math. Bye.